If you too use Bragg's apple cider vinegar, please stop and see what Dr. Eric Bug has to say about it.
Out of all the things that are very powerful to help reverse insulin resistance, apple cider vinegar is at the top of the list. What you're simply going to do is take a glass of water and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. My favorite is Fairchild's, not Bragg's, because Bragg's dilutes their apple cider vinegar.
People, I am Dr. Asma, and as you have seen, Dr. Eric Bug said he is not using apple cider vinegar because it is diluted, and this is not a new thing. This has been happening over here in Pakistan also. If you go to Daraz, that is an online store in Pakistan, you will find many vinegars that are being sold for 200-300 rupees, which is not even imaginable. I am making apple cider vinegar myself in my clinic, and I do not dilute my vinegar even with a single drop of water, and I cannot imagine to sell my vinegar at a price of 200-300 rupees. That is only possible if you add water into your vinegar. Like for example, there is 1 liter vinegar that you have prepared, and then you add 5 liters of water in it. Now this vinegar is diluted 5 times. Obviously it is gonna cost less, isn't it, because it has been diluted, but it loses its potency. This diluted vinegar will not be as potent as the original vinegar which is not diluted. This is very important, very crucial. Many people say we do not see the benefits of the vinegar. That is only because the vinegar was diluted. So whenever you buy vinegar, make sure it is not diluted, and the best way to make sure that your vinegar is not diluted is to make it yourself. To watch how to make apple cider vinegar by yourself at your home, 100% original, 100% pure, undiluted, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it.
Because on our channel you will find not only the recipe of apple cider vinegar, you will find the recipe of all these wonderful probiotics. And although I do not add even a drop of water to my vinegar to make it diluted, but I do add some beneficial things like turmeric, for example. 1 bottle in our clinic of apple cider vinegar has half a liter, that is 500 ml of apple cider vinegar. To this I add 2 to 3 tablespoons of shredded turmeric. Turmeric that I use is fresh and in season. I do not use powdered turmeric because powdered turmeric has lost most of its beneficial compounds, and since apple cider vinegar is a preservative in itself, so this turmeric won't go bad. This turmeric apple cider vinegar is wonderful in reversing the insulin resistance, and that's why it is beneficial in reversing the fatty liver also. Plus it has numerous other benefits. To watch all these benefits and how to consume this apple cider vinegar with turmeric, watch the video till the end. Anyway, once we have made the apple cider vinegar with turmeric, we do add a pinch of black pepper to it, because black pepper, when added to turmeric, increases its benefits multifold. Once prepared, I usually keep this apple cider vinegar with turmeric and black pepper powder for about a month, so that all the benefits of the turmeric go into the apple cider vinegar. This apple cider vinegar with turmeric and black pepper can be ordered from our clinic, or you can make it yourself. It has numerous benefits. Do try it out.
If you have acidity, this will help you. Many people think that they should not be drinking apple cider vinegar if they have acidity. This is completely wrong. Once you take apple cider vinegar with turmeric, what will happen is your body will not be producing acid, because you have already given it some good acid before your meal. So your body will not be needing to produce any acid. Basically, apple cider vinegar balances the pH of your stomach. Secondly, because apple cider vinegar with turmeric has turmeric inside, turmeric has curcumin. Curcumin is number 1 anti-inflammatory. So any diseases that cause inflammation, like for example MS or rheumatoid arthritis or any other inflammations anywhere in your body, they will respond beautifully to this apple cider vinegar drink with turmeric. Research has shown that this curcumin blocks all the inflammatory markers in these diseases, in MS, in rheumatoid arthritis, in IBS. Like all these are inflammatory diseases, and the treatment of all these inflammatory diseases are some anti-inflammatory drugs. So instead of taking anti-inflammatory drugs, it is better that you take anti-inflammatory curcumin. This curcumin has no side effects. In fact, this curcumin would have side benefits. Thirdly, curcumin is a very good antioxidant. It neutralizes all the free radicals that get into your body, either through toxins in the environment or through insecticides and pesticides that are found in your food. Next, it also controls sugar. And the thing is, this study was done in mice. They fed the mice high sugar diet and they found their sugar spike was 20% less. The mice who were given apple cider vinegar with turmeric had a 20% less rise in sugar. So it is a wonderful addition for people with diabetes. In addition to controlling sugar, it also controls cholesterol, especially the LDL cholesterol or the bad cholesterol. It reduces the bad cholesterol, and that's why it also reverses the fatty liver also. So the benefits of apple cider vinegar with turmeric are numerous. Most of the patients who come to my clinic tell me they cannot take apple cider vinegar because it hurts their throat. They can use date vinegar. Date vinegar is also available in our clinic. It is also available in Daraz. I will attach all these links of Daraz and our clinic. You can get your apple cider vinegar if you don't want to make it. So you can add this turmeric to your date vinegar and it will not cause sore throat also. Now how to use it? Just take 1 tablespoon of your apple cider vinegar with turmeric. Either sprinkle it on your food or take it in a cup of water before your meal. For weight loss, you have to take it early morning because that is the most effective time. Let me know in the comment section below which vinegar did you make and how much did it benefit you. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.